I bought the cheapest exfoliating foot mask that Amazon has to offer. Let's see if this works. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing another foot peel mask video, you guys. So it is that time of year when you want your toes and your feet to be looking nice and smooth. So I went to Amazon and I purchased the cheapest foot peel mask that they had to offer. So the foot peel mask that I have here is this one, y'all. So this is the Aloe Vera Lavender Exfoliating Foot Mask. It is supposed to exfoliate your feet, peel away hard skin and calluses, repair and soften cracked heels, moisture, nourish, and renew your skin. And it also has natural ingredients and plant extracts, you guys. So it is a wearable type of foot mask, which I love. So it's very easy to use, you guys. It comes with 2 in the pack. And as I said, I got this on sale from Amazon for $3.97. So that is definitely worth the money if you guys have the patience, because as you know, with foot peel masks, it can take like up to a week to peel. But who can beat like $1.50 per mask? Like, who beats that? Okay, so yeah, let's get right into it. So let me read the instructions on what it is that you guys are supposed to do if you guys are trying this mask. So the first thing you guys have to do is, after cleaning and drying your feet, so make sure your feet are clean, dry, no lotions or oils on your feet. Take out the foot mask from the pack and cut it along the dotted line, okay? Because you're gonna cut it, you're gonna have to put your feet in the actual sock. So you will wear the socks as you would like you do your regular normal socks. So once wearing the socks, you're gonna massage the mask against your feet to make sure the cream spread all over your feet. You're gonna close up the socks with the tape and seal and leave on for 50 minutes to 90 minutes. So up to an hour and a half, you guys. So you're gonna take off the mask after the 50 to 90 minutes and throw it away. And you're gonna massage the remaining cream on your feet into your actual feet. And then within 5 to 7 days, your feet should start to exfoliate. For me, the last time I did this, it took about 2 days for my feet to start to exfoliate. So we're gonna see how this works since it's a different kind.
Yeah, so it's now day 2. Day 1, my feet didn't really get a lot of action, but day 2, as you guys can see, it's starting to, you know, flake up a little bit. I will say day 1 was just very itchy. Day 2 is also very itchy, but you know, it is what it is. But y'all, I will keep y'all posted. All right, y'all, it's day number 2. So I'm starting to get some action. I just took a shower, so this is how my feet look, just to give you guys an update. So I think we should start peeling maybe by tomorrow. All right, y'all, this is the night of day 2, and look at this foot. It's definitely come a long way since I showed you guys my foot earlier today. So this peel is definitely working very fast. All right, y'all, so this is still night 2. This is after my shower. Wanted to show you guys how quickly this one is peeling. This one actually is peeling a lot quicker than my last mask that I did. A lot quicker. This is only day 2, at the night of day 2. All right, y'all, so it is day 3, so I want to show you guys my feet. Look at all those flakes, y'all. Look at this. Look at that snowfall. That is disgusting. But this is my feet, y'all. Almost fully peeled. Let me show y'all the other one. All right, y'all, we're still on day 3. Y'all, look at this. Look at that. So this is the status of my feet. Y'all, this is day 5. I'm just waiting for the rest to peel. We're almost done. Let's see the top section. It's just super rough. I haven't used lotion in days, y'all. Literally haven't used lotion in 5 days. So this is how it looks. This is day 5. By tomorrow I should be good. Here's the other foot. Almost done peeling, you guys. And then here's the top of my foot. It's very rough. So by tomorrow, y'all, I think I should be all good. It's just very rough. All right, y'all, so these are my feet. So I do like the results, y'all, but I don't think it was as amazing as the first foot peel mask that I used by this specific company. I feel like, you know, it's still a little rough right here, but it's not the worst, okay? It's completely not the worst. It's something you can try. As I said, it was $3 for a pack of 2. So you're basically spending like $1 and some change on one foot peel mask, which is pretty good. I will link the video to the other foot peel mask from the same company that I do feel worked a lot better. But y'all, yes, these are the feet. This is how we are looking. The top part is pretty smooth as well. And yeah, y'all, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.